So we headed to Dubai Mall. Gonna try and get my hands on the Air Max 95 SB, the Cactus Flower. I think that's what it's called. Hoping the pair hasn't sold out. Release date was supposed to be today, 2nd of August. Wish me luck. I've got my navy SB4s on. Hello. What's going on? Full shopping and all. That's one person's portion of what? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and like you can tell from the opening clips, I got myself a pair of the Air Max 95s in that SB, not SB colorway, in that SB execution. But hey, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you like the contents. So this is only my second ever pair of Air Max 95s. My first pair was the Corteiz collab, and I remember getting the pair and it was so snug, and I wanted to get the sizing out of the way, right? So I went true to size with that pair as well. That was my first ever pair and it was so snug. But then I went into the Nike store at Dubai Mall and I tried on my true size, which is a US 9, UK 8. Sizing, go true to size. This is an amazingly comfortable and broadened out pair. But yeah, I've said enough. Let's lift the lid open on this pair. It's interesting that a pair of Air Max 95s came in that Nike SB box. You know, the same purple box. You even have a Nike SB sticker right there. And the butter paper as well is what you'd usually see on a Nike SB Dunk. So let's get this. Oh, this pair is so beautiful. Bam! There you have it, the Nike Air Max 95 in that SB execution. I'll go through the details really quick. They have made some tweaks. For instance, you see each of these individual panels. Whenever it's on a regular Air Max 95, you have the raw exposed edges. So each panel is cut, so you have a raw exposed edge. But on this pair, they turned it in and stitched it. Like you can tell, every single panel doesn't have a raw edge, but it's been turned in and stitched. And that's something you'll also see in a Nike SB Dunk. Like a regular Dunk would have on the toe box, would have a raw edge, but on an SB, it would have been folded in and stitched. And that's supposed to give you better durability when you're skating, so it doesn't rip open. I don't know if anybody's really skating in these. I know I'm not. I just got them because the SB4 Jordans, I mean the Air Jordan 4 SBs are so comfortable compared to a regular inline Air Jordan 4. And I was like, that must be the case with this pair. And it's true. The original colorway is called the Cactus Flower. Starting off with the outsole, they've made some edits in terms of the pattern is more or less the same, but the grips are a little different. Plus there's a gum sole for that extra stickiness. And the height of the outsole as well has been reduced, so you get more of that board feel. You have the Nike Air SB on the outsole panel right here, and obviously the PSI, that's the air pressure. I don't know what is PSI, it's an index, right? Let me know if you know in the comments. I haven't researched clearly. Your air unit as well in that nice Cactus Flower colorway, white midsole. On the back again, you have that reflective panel. You have the Nike SB Air done right there. The tongue too has that same reflective panel. You have the regular Air Max branding embroidered onto the tongue, rope laces. This part of course is reflective. You have that nice mesh execution running all the way on the top, and that nice suede toe guard. Now I don't know how durable this will be when you skate, but I think the SB4 also had a suede, or was it nubuck toe guard. On the inside as well, your insole is done that Cactus Flower colorway. You have that Nike Air Max SB branding and a nice smooth sock liner. Now I gotta tell you, I mean, from what I've seen in reviews as well, you sit closer to the midsole, so they have shaved off a bit of it, so it's closer to the ground. But man, this pair is comfy and it's so good on feet. When I put it on, I instantly fell in love. I know I went to the mall all the way just to pick this pair up, but then I was like, do I really need a pair? I tried it on. I needed to have an Air Max 95 in my rotation and something as comfy as this. I know there's an Eric Costin colorway coming as well, but I'm not a big fan of dark midsoles. That's how it is. The front area as well is a lot more broader, so it accommodates your feet better. I think I should show you a comparison with the Corteiz Air Max. I'll be right back. See the raw edges I was referring to? This is the Corteiz Air Max. So it's just cut and sewn right here. Every single panel has that raw edge, versus on the SB version, which is all turned in and stitched on. I don't know if you can really tell the difference in terms of the width of the toe box, but on the Corteiz it's a lot more narrower, whereas on the SB it's broader. I know with the black everything seems a little smaller, but you know, having tried them on feet, I can tell you that this one is way more broader than on the Corteiz Air Max 95s. And now for the outsole, like I was saying, the pattern is still the same. Like you have the same pattern, but the details are different. Like this is a traditional waffle outsole, but this one's been done a little differently. Man, this is a beautiful pair. Never worn them ever, but yeah, now I have an SB 95, so I have a 95 in the rotation that I can wear more frequently. All right, I'm gonna pop these on feet to show you what they look like. That mini swoosh detailing right there, embroidered on, perfect. I'd love the mini swoosh on the toe box as well. Oh man, they smell so good, so good. All right, so this is the top-down view of the pair. One thing I'm glad they didn't do is they didn't put in that big bubble execution, because I think the big bubble would make this pair look a lot more bulkier, but man, this is a thing of beauty. Another thing I noticed that these shoes are a lot more flexible than a regular Air Max 95. I think obviously that's for your flexibility when you're skating, but that adds to the comfort of this pair. And shlabam, that's it for this video, you guys. Thanks for staying all the way to the end. What do you think of the pair? Did you go after one? Did you cop one? Do you think it's a good addition in the rotation? I mean, it's still summer out here in Dubai. We're in August. It's gonna be sunny like this at least till November, December. I mean, it's sunny throughout the year, but it's a nice pair to wear in those bright days. All right, I'm gonna sign out now. Thanks for staying all the way to the end. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.